Okay, we're here doing a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas asymmetrical design. You can see the finish here and here already done. We're going to show you how to do this piece and this piece so they connect, and there's a little trick to it with some wrinkles potential here. The temperature outside has a lot to do with it. I found now that it's warmed up today that I've actually been able to put this on and get it pressed down without any heat until I'm all done, and then heating it, which needs to be done with any wrap film, that's what this is, to make it lock in place. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Fit in there, and if you can see, it's just perfectly fit tight in there. There's some wrinkles here, or a couple small wrinkles here, but that'll press out with heat, and we want that so we can avoid big wrinkles on this side. So as it comes down here, we're going to press really hard and see how that wraps on around. And wow, that's pretty cool. First take. So now I'm going to heat the back edge. It'll slightly fold in around that back edge, so you'll want to make sure that your wheel is slightly clean back there. Cleaner the wheel, better the results. So we've got that side done. Now let's focus on this piece here. I need to grab the piece, pull it off the sheet, barely wrap around that back edge, which is what it does. Just completely cover. Now you can see, potentially you can see the silver here. So that's on purpose because I want to give just a little tweak to that inside so I can get it to lay down nice here. Look at how that came around really nicely, tying the two together. Now you can see we still have some work to do here. All we're going to do is lift that up just a little bit and try to make it so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just pushing those wrinkles out. Still some there. I think I'm going to just throw a drop of heat on there. You notice it changed somewhat. There it changed a lot, you can see. And that's shrinking it. So it allows it to lay down without wrinkles. So again, you'll use a heat gun. Manufacturers suggest that. I simply use a torch because I'm out on car dealers all the time, and I don't want to grab an extension cord, and I've been using this torch on wrap film for maybe 10 years. So I can kind of get away with it. So there you go. Left and right asymmetrical design for the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. Hope you enjoyed.